Maxi-Matic HyperChiller patented instant coffee beverage cooler, ready in 1 minute, reusable for iced tea, wine, spirits, alcohol, juice, 12.5 Oz, black. Save time, no need to wait around for cold brew or waste 15 minutes going to the coffee shop each day. Results in 1 minute you can turn fresh hot coffee into perfect iced coffee in as quickly as 1 minute. The HyperChiller can cool by up to 130 plus degrees in 60 seconds without dilution. Save money, the average iced coffee will run you $3 It can pay for itself in just 2 weeks. Compatible with any brew method, it is designed to conveniently fit into most full-size single-cup brewers, has a high-volume 12.5 Oz capacity, and a deep lid for easy use with any traditional method. Dishwasher safe, the HyperChiller has 4 simple parts, easily disassembles and is machine washable. Other uses use it to chill a bottle of wine, your favorite whiskey or some iced tea. The HyperChiller cools all liquids without any change in flavor or dilution. How it works: to assemble, just add water and freeze. Once frozen, pour fresh coffee from carafe or brew directly from compatible single-cup brewer into the lid. 1 minute after your fresh hot coffee is inside, it will be chilled by up to 130 plus degrees without dilution. Then just pour into your regular drinking glass or mug and put the HyperChiller back in the freezer for next time. The easiest, most cost-effective way to chill your favorite beverages. Our patented design uses regular water to chill, and because there are no chemicals or gels, all parts of the HyperChiller are dishwasher safe. Having to hit the floor running this morning and don't have time to prepare your iced coffee? The HyperChiller will chill your coffee in less than 60 seconds. Take the edge off a hectic morning by enjoying an iced coffee on the go. It works with all types of coffee makers, whether you use a single brew or a. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.